Yeah, y'all didn't know red's my favorite color. Nah, didn't think so. Okay, so here we go on this, back on that one, back and front. And I know you guys can see this just changing. Isn't that pretty? Okay, there we go. They're all dusted, ready to go. Let me show you the green. We're gonna do a holly. Then I'm gonna show you the center shortly, and we're gonna use stamens for that. Okay, here's the green. And we have our new brush. This one's getting open. Let go of the finger. Dark. Okay, here's one that's ready. This one's dry. Watch it change. See the difference between this one and that one? This one's been glazed, and we're going to show you what happens when you glaze it. Sets it in. Okay. Now, you don't wash these brushes, you stick them in a Ziploc bag to keep them and use them all the time for the same color. They're cheap enough. Just get yourself like 5 at a time and put them away and just use them. One for each color, and you can tell which color it's going to be easily enough. Okay, pretty cool. See how flat that is? Now we're going to talk about glaze in just a moment. Okay, we're going to make our center, and we're just going to use some commercial stamens for this one. And I'm putting a daub of styro glue or tacky glue. Either one works really well. I grabbed the styro glue today. And take one of these off. Take a couple of these off, and we're going to glue it together to make a center. There's no wire in the center of these. It's just paper string kind of thing on it, and it's wrapped with another wire. So you got to undo it each time you want to get some of these out. Okay, we're going to take this, get them level, cut them in half. Okay, now we're going to take our white 26 or 28 gauge paper wrapped wire. We're going to touch this into the glue. And then we're going to set this in here. We're going to wrap these, twirl them, twiddle them around the glue so that it adheres to them and to the wire, and it will stay. With a little bit of time, you just keep working it and it will stay. The air will start grabbing it and making it. You can bend these while it's hanging on. You can have a bigger center if you want, but for time's sakes, we're going to do this quick and easy. Quick and sleazy, as my husband calls it. Once you get it to stay, it'll stay put. Now, if you got clean fingers, you won't see the red. But since I've got red food coloring all over my fingers, you can see it. See how that hung on? Perfect.